Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In the particular session, we're going to talk about low budget private colleges in open states as well as in domicile states. The video is going to be very important for those candidates who got a good score but not very good to get a dream branch in government colleges or in DNB hospitals. So those candidates will definitely look for the private colleges, but at the same time they won't go for high budget private colleges. So it's very important to know which are the colleges across India they are eligible for counseling process and getting a low budget private colleges, and through those low budget private colleges they can fulfill their uh, dream of particular branch. Suppose you want general medicine and your rank is up to 7,000 or 10,000. Okay, so you have two options. You can go for government colleges through all India quota and you can get a seat, but it's not possible in 10,000 or something rank. Then next option, you can go for your state counseling and you can try to get a seat. If there also you don't get a seat, then you have the third option to go for DNB. In DNB you can get a seat, but in case you don't like to go for DNB, you want MD degree, then you can go for low budget private colleges, and in that particular scenario this video is very important. So if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel and hit the like button of the video. And for the paid counseling guidance, you can call us on to the number of 9319 128677, and we do provide paid counseling guidance. In that paid counseling guidance, we support you from the starting process, all the notification updates, registration process for all India quota, your state counseling for DNB, and open state private colleges, and your own state private colleges also, and how to get low budget fee, how to do the counseling process, how to do the choice filling and all, bond, stipend, how to order the particular college with branch combination. So these all things will be provided. So let's talk about there are two types of colleges: open state and closed state. In open state, there are states where the fee for both domicile and non-domicile students is same, like Uttar Pradesh, in Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, and some other states. There are other open states where the tuition fee is different for domicile candidate and open category candidate. You take example of Karnataka. There the tuition fee for open category candidate is 11.5, but less for GMP quota. Rajasthan, same thing. The tuition fee for other category open category candidate is high, and for the domicile candidate is low. Pondicherry and Uttarakhand. Now take a look at the colleges where you can get in low budget. So Karnataka is the most important state, because in Karnataka you can get clinical branches which you are missing to get in government colleges, like in 10,000 rank, 15,000 rank, you can get their PDR, general medicine, all these branches in very minimal tuition fee, that is of 11.5 lakhs per year. There are very good colleges. That there are two reasons why candidates will prefer Karnataka state counseling process after all India quota and state quota for government colleges. First reason, the Karnataka colleges, private colleges are very good. Okay. Second reason, the tuition fee is also less. So including these two factors, Karnataka is the most important open state. You have 19 private colleges where the tuition fee is 11.5, and in St. John's Medical College, which is in top 10 medical colleges in India, including AIM government and all, the tuition fee is 8 lakhs. And if you come from and there are three other colleges you need to be careful while choosing the choice filling. STM Gulbarga, the fee is much higher compared to 11.5. In Adi Chinchunguri, the college is good, but the fee is much higher. Khaja Wande Nawaz, there also tuition fee is high. Let's move at next state, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is also an open state, but in the first round they don't allow, in second round they don't allow, in mop-up round they allow other state candidates to participate in the counseling process, and there are 6 colleges where you can get in the tuition fee of 11 to 12 lakhs. That's very low tuition fee for top clinical branch. Okay. Next state, West Bengal. West Bengal has got only one PG medical college, KPC Medical College in Jadavpur. It's very good medical college. The patient flow and everything is very good, but you have to pay tuition fee of 63 lakhs for any clinical branch, whether it's radio, derma, or like lower clinical branch. One time you have to pay. That's the main problem. Coming for non-clinical and lower clinical branches, the tuition fee in Bihar is very less, between 6 to 8 lakhs per year. In Andhra Pradesh, B category seat, tuition fee is less than 10 lakhs, 8.6 lakhs per year. So if your rank is good and you're missing government college, then you can go for Andhra Pradesh B category seat, you can get it there. Telangana A category seats, the tuition fee is 7.5 lakhs per year, but those candidates who are from Telangana, they can only go for these seats. If you're domicile of Maharashtra or you have done MBBS from Maharashtra, then you can go for government quota seat for private colleges. The tuition fee is starting from 3 lakhs to 14 lakhs. You can get top clinical branches based on your rank. Uttar Pradesh is very important state. If your score is low and you are looking to get a seat in minimum tuition fee, the tuition fee is starting from 12 lakhs for lower clinical, and top clinical branches also you can get in the tuition fee of 13.6 lakhs depending on your score and rank. It's open state. Now take a look at the first state in the slide, that is Punjab. There is one medical college, Adesh Medical College, and the tuition fee here is 15 lakhs per annum. You can go for it. So these are the states in India where the tuition fee is very low. If your score is low, then you can go for those states depending on your budget where the tuition fee is low, for lower clinical branches as well as higher clinical branches. So I hope this video will give you an idea that where you can go for in case you are not able to get a seat in private colleges in your state in your defined budget. So these are the options available to you, and you can go for these options. I will create other videos where I will discuss about other topics which will help you in the counseling process, and in case you want to avail our paid services, then you can call us or send a WhatsApp messages so that you get optimum result from the counseling process. It's very important for the counseling process. Before you start and decide these are the state you want to go for, you must first travel across India, all the states where you are eligible to participate in the counseling process. You have the eligibility to participate in All India quota, DNB, deemed universities, and your domicile state, government A category, B category, C category applicable, all open state private colleges you are eligible. So out of these options, which option you want to avail and which option will fit you based on your budget, based on your dream branch, based on your score and rank. So first scope it out that this is my scope, and it's only possible only if you have the knowledge of complete state, all states in India wherever you are eligible, and then decide the scope. These are the only possible scopes for me, and then go for the counseling process and get the best. So an expert counselor will help you in that. There are many counselors on YouTube who can also help you, and we are one of them, NEET mentors, so you can choose any of them. So with this I'm ending this video, and we will meet again in the next video. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.